Hey guys, the first step is to trace out the entire back block along with the darts, and then we are connecting the back dart points to create the center panel as well as the side panel. I'm taking away half an inch on the armhole shoulder side since we are making the neck wider. Now let's cut the back. Let's make the neck a little wider. The shoulders will measure 3.5. Now cut off the center panel and the side panel. Make a line there to create a yoke, probably 9 inches to 10 inches. Make a cut on the yoke line to get the top yoke part and then the bottom part. Now we are drawing lines to slash and spread the yoke to get gathers at the bottom side. Do not slash the lines completely, stop just below the neckline so that it's easier to slash and spread. Now place the slashed lines at even intervals and use a tape to hold them in place. Now mark the new pattern. Remove the slash and spread pattern. After removing the slash and spread pattern, we have to add the seam allowance to get the new pattern ready for cutting. Note that this pattern will be cut on fold. Now we have to trace the bottom panel and then the side panel and then give the seam allowance in a similar way. Now we'll have 4 pieces to complete the back. One center panel, the top yoke part, the bottom panel, and then 2 side panels to complete this pattern. It's time to place the patterns on a muslin fabric. I've used a medium weight muslin fabric for the test trial. The top yoke part and the bottom panel is cut on fold, and then we have to cut 2 pieces of the side panels. So now we are making gathers at the bottom of the yoke. I'm making 2 rows of stitches parallel to each other and then pull the strings to create even gathers. Attach the gathered yoke to the bottom panel. So now let's attach the side panels to the center panel. So this is a test trial with the muslin fabric. I made some embroidery for the border. And created this lovely blouse for a sari. Thank you guys.